Use the graph of f of x equals absolute value of x. Obtain the graph of g of x equals 2 times the absolute value of x. Alright, so what do I expect to see because of that 2? Is it going to be horizontal or vertical? It's going to be vertical because it's not inside with the x. Is it going to be a stretch compression or is it going to be a shift if it's being multiplied? It's either a stretch or compression. And when it's on the outside and it's a number bigger than 1, what is it going to be? Well, what happens when you multiply by 2? Does it get bigger or smaller? Bigger. Gets bigger. So is that going to be a stretch or a compression?
A stretch.
It's going to be a stretch. And remember, outside does what it's supposed to. So if it's supposed to get bigger, it's going to get bigger. So it's a vertical stretch by the 2. So now think about it, guys. If you're going to vertically stretch something, what's going to happen to it? What do you expect to see in the actual graph? Vertically stretch it. If I take something from above and below it and I pull it apart, think about like a balloon that's being blown up. If I hold it from the top and the bottom and I pull up and down on it, does it get wider or does it get more narrow? It gets more narrow. So I expect to see my graph get more narrow. Alright, so let's actually graph these to be able to see. So I'm going to take my parent function and I'm going to pull out my table. And I'm going to go ahead and graph it. Remember, absolute value makes the V shape. And then let's work on our table for our new one. So, do I have anything inside with x? Look inside. Is there anything inside with x? No. So my x's are going to change. So I'm just going to rewrite those x's. Do I have anything on the outside? We have that 2, correct? And that says 2 times, doesn't it? 2 times the absolute value of x. So remember, y does what it's supposed to. So it says 2 times, so we're just going to multiply by 2. So take all of these y values here and multiply them by 2. So what is 2 times 2?
4.
And 1 times 2?
2.
0 times 2? 1 times 2? And 2 times 2. Because you're doing alright, it's not negative because you're looking at the x's. We're multiplying the y's by 2. Remember, the y's are what's in the second column, those that I circled, okay? So all of these numbers are the times 2, not the x's. And then graph those points. Yes, we will.
When?
Monday.
Monday.